How to turn off activity status on RedNote. Hello everyone. If you've become a new user of the RedNote app and don't know how to turn off the activity status, this video is for you. First, open the RedNote app on your Android or iOS device. Then, click on the icon in the bottom right corner to access your account. Next, click on the gear icon here. Select Privacy Settings. Here, we will find numerous privacy settings. At the top of the screen, you'll see the activity option, which is by default set to friends. Open it to turn it off or modify it. As you can see on the screen, there are 3 options available. The first is for your activity status to be public. This means that all users on this network can see your activity status. The second option is friends. This allows only your friends on the network to see your activity status. The last option is off, which means that no one can see your activity status. To turn it off, select the third option. And that's it. This is a great feature if you don't like responding to messages immediately but prefer to do so when you have the time. Like the video and subscribe to our channel.